Folks, I'm here at Pipeline on a site here. We have an apartment here under construction featuring 1 and 2 bedrooms. Okay, it's called Buffalo View. Why Buffalo View? Behind me, it is overlooking the Lake Nakuru National Park. So the game park is on that side. But now, precisely having come on the rooftop here, looking around, folks, I am telling you, Pipeline and Barnabas, these two places, they are experiencing exponential growth, particularly in real estate. I mean, nimesimama hapa, I have counted 17 apartments under construction. You know just what I'm seeing from here. 17 of them. Let me just show you the other side. So this is where I am. Okay, this is our apartment here. All right, it's still under construction. Okay, a long way to go. In a few months time, or a couple of months, or some months rather, you know, this place will be ready. So the game park is on that side. But let me show you this, what I'm talking about. Pipeline, I mean, from here the views, by the way, whoever will come to live in this apartment, wow, I mean, just look at the views, look at that side, you know. So that is one apartment there. That is one, you know. From where I'm standing, there's another one there. Okay, going this side, those are two. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Folks, you can't see this with zooming like this. You may not see what I'm seeing. 10, even Pipeline there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Folks, just imagine how this pipeline is going to pull people here. You know, this pipeline. Just imagine how this area is going to have a huge population in the next 1 year, probably 2. When imagine all these 17 apartments which I've counted. Just imagine when all of them will be ready and they are fully occupied. Imagine the crowd that is going to come here at Pipeline. I am telling you, even in terms of business, if you are thinking business, I am telling you, think Pipeline as well. You know, maybe you may bring a branch of your business here. Maybe you may bring a new business. There are folks I told another day, put a supermarket somewhere there. Okay? Anyway, let me not go into that. That one I'll talk about it in a different video. But today, just from here, seeing from here all the way to Barnabas, I can see the Goodwill Plaza there shining, you know, all glass. Buraha Zenoni Hotel at Barnabas there is visible from here. This place, I am telling you, in terms of business, this place is going to be very... Freddy, there's another apartment there. I didn't see that one. So that's like number 18 now. This one here. Ooh-wee. Folks, hey, Pipeline Barnabas. When it comes to commerce, from where I'm sitting, I think this is like the future now. You know, this is like the future. Pipeline and Barnabas, because now these two areas are growing together, and then, you know, they are going to become like one huge, can I call it a business district? You know, one huge commercial center and residential commercial. When you go to the other side of Barnabas, you have gated communities there. You know, folks are selling mansionettes, bungalows, etc. You know, the other side of Barnabas. But this side of Pipeline, it's more of it's a mix. I see apartments, I see own compound homes, standalones, and of course there are some gated communities also going this side. So from where I'm standing, just looking from this apartment up here, this Pipeline and Barnabas, there is a lot of potential in terms of business here. So this is a place you should be thinking. You know, if you have a business even in town, you should be thinking of bringing a branch here. Okay, you should be seriously be thinking about that. Okay, this is Pipeline and Barnabas. Imagine 17 apartments, Freddy. Another one there at the far end. That's number 19 now. And imagine we have just counted the ones that are within my vicinity. I've not gone to the other side of Barnabas to count more there. I'm telling you, there could be like 30 plus or 40 apartments under construction right here at Pipeline and Barnabas. There could be 40 of them under construction. Now imagine all those, they pull people here to come to live here. That is business. That is business. That is business, man. Mimi naomba tu nikuwe na do your time. I'm thinking of something here. Thinking of something here. Pipeline, Barnabas. I mean, the folks who will live at this apartment, the views on either side, just coming to the rooftop. This is why I like apartments with rooftops. You know, you can always come out here, catch a cool breeze like now. Ooh, a lot of fresh air. Aye, jameni. You know, and then just enjoy to the views. Kule kote unaona vizuri aje wewe. Aye. Hey, ukiturn around the other side, buffalo zinaenda kuja pale jioni. Hata zinakaribia. You know, the game park. Behind you is the game park. In front of you, you just see, you know, the developments now. Buraha Zenon is so beautiful from here. Goodwill Plaza the same. Wow. Hey, yeah. Freddy. Eh? Oh, even the pipeline. Folks, pipeline iko pale. Hey, matracks ziko pale ndani. Uwi. Sijui kama hii inaweza zoom ifika huko. You see those white things you are seeing? Those are trucks. You know? The oil tankers ziko pale pipeline ndani. Hey, it's a flock, it's a crowd, you know, it's a what, I don't know what adjectives we can use, but ni mob. All those white ni oil tankers, and of course pipeline, zile tanki unaona pale za silver kule ndo Kenya Pipeline. So hence this place is known as Pipeline, you know. And I usually tell folks, Pipeline Nakuru is not as Pipeline Nairobi. You know, there is a lot of difference. So when some folks call me nawaambia kuna nyumba pipeline. Pipeline, they're like, pipeline. You know, it's not a concrete jungle. You know, si ati ni manguo zimeanikwa kwa balconies all over. No, this is a different pipeline. Angalia pale juu mazee, bungalows, kala ni ka estate nako. Bungalows. And then kule mbele, I'm just loving being here. It's the views for me. Hata sisikii tuende sasa bwana. What? It's the views for me. But that's when napenda ujenzi. Okay? That's when napenda ujenzi. Folks, wacha tuende. Hatuwezi kaa hapa the whole day. Kuna haja niwaonyeshe sneak peek kweli ya nyumba. Nitakuja tu, wakimaliza I will be here. By the way, diaspora, hii ndo mambo nashinda nawaambia. Like this is a project ya diaspora. Can you imagine? Every month mimi nakuja hapa, nachukua picha na mtumia, anaangalia vile project yake inaendelea. So when I tell you I do real estate videography, this is what I call a real estate videography. Hizo picha sasa naenda kukaa chini na videos, niweke kwa folder, aenda angalia pala niambie Ezra, hapa, then I engage pia engineers, architects, site manager, blah namna hiyo. So diaspora, kama uko na project unataka pale kuona progress namna gani, Ezra ONDARA hako hapa na kuchukulia vitu 360 degrees. Okay, unaona from all angles. Usije ukadanganywa ati tuliweka dirisha huko, tulipaka rangi ya white na kumbe walenda wakapaka rangi cheap. Usigoshwe nikiwa hapa. Hapana gongo Ezra ONDARA akiwa hapa. Haya.